Hey there, here's how to pair your AirPods with your Roku TV device. Now, the special technique with this is we need to do it via the app, hence I have the iPhone here. The first step though is to pair the AirPods, so just flip your lid and you'll see that they want to pair. I'll take an AirPod out, pop it in my ear, and I'm now connected. So let's pop these to one side. Now we want to get the app, so we'll go to the App Store, go to search and type in Roku app and search. We have some Roku looking apps here, but we want the Roku app official. None of these wannabes. Roku app official. That opens up and it says let's connect your Roku. We'll go to settings. This takes us to the Roku settings on the iPhone and we want to allow local network. That's done. Click on Roku in the top here. It says no devices found, but then it searches again and it locates the Roku streaming stick, connected device. Now click on connect device. We are now connected and we can go to remote control. Just here we have the headphone icon, and with that we are now connected to the Roku device. So any TV show or music will play through the AirPods. When you're ready to disconnect, just press this button here, take off your AirPods and you're disconnected. I hope that's been useful. Please leave the video a thumbs up if it has been. Thanks for watching and I wish you a great day ahead.